Hey, what's going on? Welcome back to another lesson in the product research only course. Product research is so important. Why has no one made a whole program based on just product research to make it accessible? I don't know, but we're doing it. Maybe someone has. I don't pay much attention to what other people are doing. Too busy making moves, man. So today we're going over the bestsellers method. I love this one. This is underrated. I think you guys are really going to enjoy this. There's something about something about the way that the bestsellers list looks that's very satisfying. It's like Amazon 2.0. Let me just show you what I mean by that. Well, you guys are enjoying your day and enjoying the course. Let's jump right into this method. So what you're gonna do is you're actually gonna just search Amazon bestsellers list. Thank you for auto-correcting me, Google. That's what I meant to say. Amazon bestsellers list. And what you can do is you can actually come down to this one. And if you do more results from Amazon.com, it's going to show you, okay, that was the wrong link. So you could do just bestsellers here. And then you could click into any category and check this out. So let me go, maybe if I do like home and kitchen, check this out. Amazon bestsellers are most popular products based on sales, updated hourly. How can you ignore a headline like that? Our most popular products based on sales. So Amazon Incorporated is sharing their sales information with you directly. We're not even using a third party. So that's why this is so cool. Here's what you're going to do. Now, these are literally the best sellers in home and kitchen, huge category. So these are not going to be good products, guys. Look at 59,000 reviews. Imagine setting that as your maximum filter on Jungle Scout. You'd have to be a baller to do that. You're badass, man. 20,000 reviews. So these are obviously not products that we want to compete with. But what we can do is we could combine. Oh, I have this. This is good. You know what's crazy though? They rip you off with this. They really do. They said it's like normally 25 bucks for the Brita tank like this. And it's like the big one and it just sits in your fridge, and literally I have it sitting around my fridge. I wish I could carry you over and show you. But they say that this is like the Ultramax filter. Oh my God, no it is not. It is such a ripoff. They give you a basic filter in the Ultra box, or that's at least what happened to me. Then I had to go buy the ultra long lasting filter and then put it in this. So that's just a little side story of something that I got frustrated about. Imagine if you own Brita, or blender bottle. What a simple idea. They were Instapot. Man, some of these big brands are freaking inspirations. So what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna combine our category diving method with the Amazon's bestsellers list. So we can go into wall decor. Let's see what we got here, because just because they're up this high, we're actually in a subcategory now, so it might not be that bad. Yeah, so we're not seeing 50,000 reviews anymore. Now, I don't think Jungle Scout no, it does work on this. Okay. So we can actually pull up Jungle Scout on this list. And then a lot of the times what I'll look for is a revenue to review ratio. So for instance, if I see high revenues, that's not always just enough. Like 400,000 or 100,000 sales, 100,000 in sales, but they have 350 reviews. It's a poster frame. How do I make that better? How do I change that? It's got 4.1 stars. I don't know what to do to that product. That's kind of a commodity. However, an Albert Einstein education poster. This is probably huge. We're going into the school season. Now the school season actually lasts, how long? I don't know. 10 months? Is that right? That seems long. School season lasts a long time. And I'd imagine most teachers are buying right around now. I'm filming this in August, so that's back to school season. So that's probably why these numbers are inflated. I almost guarantee if we were to click in here and look at the sales throughout the year, it's probably not as high as they are right now. Yeah, so January through April, are a lot different than August. Check this out. Kind of called that one. And then this is last August, July, and September. And then this is the previous August, July, and September. So this is slightly seasonal. Now they're still making sales there, but not nearly as much. So I probably wouldn't go into this product. We can keep looking though. So revenue to review ratios. So a lot of these are teacher based. Okay. It was just my mom's 50th birthday, and we had one of these it was like a themed birthday party we did for her. That was the family vacation I just went on. And it was like a 1969 version of this, and I actually saw that and I was like, where did they get that from? My sister, I think, ordered it on Amazon. And it's now that I'm seeing this one back in 1929, and it basically just says, milk was 6 cents, your phone numbers were 1 million digits long, the president was I don't know. But yeah, so they have yeah, exactly. This is the one that they had. It was a little bit different than that. It has like people that were born in that year. But here's an example of kind of a cool product, right? They're doing 30,000 in sales with only 18 reviews. So like, why is that so popular? And we could start doing, kind of some research into why that is. The U.S. population was half what it is. I'm like more interested in the facts. I love fun facts, man. So we could do like what would that be called essentially? That would be like a birthday party poster. Yeah, nailed it. So here we go. Hit Jungle Scout on this, see if it's a good product. Now, do you see what we're doing? We just found this product on the bestsellers list. And the cool thing about the bestsellers list is, do you notice how it's based on sales? Remember how Amazon said that? So what's very, very cool is look at the revenues are all really good. So now we could just sort by reviews. We could actually just look at all these low reviews stuff. 11 reviews, Albert Einstein. So a lot of this stuff is for back to school. That is copyrighted. Life is beautiful. So that's just a poster. Life is beautiful. 20 reviews. They're doing great. Great first picture. 30th birthday decorations. There's a lot of birthday style stuff. But we're just in one category. Now you could look at bestsellers in any category, guys. So you have an open... What are those things called? Why can't I think of it right now? The thing you paint on. Canvas. You have an open canvas in front of you. Go take the bestsellers list, paint yourself up a new product idea. I'm excited to hear what you come up with. Maybe it won't get to me. I only have a very limited number of people that actually talk to me. If you want to, there might be a list or a link to my coaching. If it's not there, it means I'm not doing it anymore. I'm trying to wean off of that a little bit, and I like having my time. I'm extroverted, but like with my time, I'm very stingy. So my time is my most important asset by far. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this method. Like I said, I'm so glad you guys are in here. You guys are making me proud. Just like I wish I had this resource when I was starting. I'm going to save myself several failures and lots of work. So hopefully you guys are enjoying this. I'm probably going to stop here. I'm getting kind of tired. I've been working all day, man. Some days it's good to do that, but pay yourself with a long weekend or something. That's what you get to do when you're self-employed. You don't have to, crush it all the time. So I'm going to get you guys to that point. Hopefully like the bestsellers method. Our most popular products based on sales updated hourly. I'll see you in the next lesson.